Hello dear learners, I am Dr. Shakti Sharma, Assistant Professor at Sadabha Raisoni Women's College and Program in charge for MSc Dietetics and Food Service Management at Regional Center Nagpur. Learners, polyphenols are the biggest group of phytochemicals and many of them have been found in plant-based foods. Polyphenol-rich diets may have been linked with health benefits also. Although polyphenols are chemicals characterized as compounds with phenolic structures, this group of natural product is highly diverse and contains several subgroups of phenolic compounds. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains and other type of foods and beverages such as tea, coffee, chocolate and wine are sources of polyphenols. Plants produce a great variety of organic compounds as a response to environmental stress like microbial attack, insect, animal predation and ultraviolet radiation. The role of these metabolites is to increase plant resistance to these stresses. These metabolites can be classified into three major groups according to their biosynthetic route and structural features. They are terpenoids, alkaloids and phenolic compounds. Phenolic compounds, which are mainly synthesized on phenylalanine produced by ischemic acid pathway, are the most widely distributed in plant kingdom. Plant tissues may contain up to several grams per kilogram of polyphenols. These compounds have a role in the visual appearance as the peel and flesh pigmentation, browning, taste as astringency and bitterness, and health promoting properties as free radical scavengers. In this module, we will learn about the origin and history of polyphenols and giving this basic emphasis on the flavonoids, the dietary sources, metabolism and health benefits of flavonoids. Hello learners, the first module is on Introduction to Polyphenols and the objectives of this module are to introduce the polyphenols and the chemical structure, to understand classification of polyphenols. Learners, polyphenols are a group of natural compounds with phenolic structural features. It is a collective term for several subgroups of phenolic compounds. Dietary polyphenols have received tremendous attention among nutritionists, food scientists and consumers due to their role in human health. Research in recent years strongly support a role of polyphenols in prevention of degenerative diseases, particularly cancers, cardiovascular diseases and neurodegenerative diseases. In this module, we will be learning about the history, chemistry and metabolism of polyphenols and also about their biological effect on human health. Polyphenols are one of the most important and certainly the most numerous among the groups of phytochemicals present in the plant kingdom. Polyphenols are a group of chemical substances found in plants characterized by the presence of more than one phenolic unit in building block or molecules. Classification of polyphenols. Polyphenols are the compounds that contain hydroxyl group attached to the benzene ring. Chemically, they are compounds with structural phenolic features which can be associated with different organic acids and carbohydrates. Dietary polyphenols constitute one of the most numerous and widely distributed group of natural products in the plant kingdom. Although polyphenols are chemically characterized as compounds with phenolic structures, this group of natural product has diverse presence in several subgroups of phenolic compounds. The main classes of polyphenols are flavonoids such as flavonols, flavones, isoflavones and flavonols, phenolic acids and derivatives, tannins, stilbenes, lignins. Among these five groups, the flavonoids are currently considered the most important from the nutritional perspective. We will now describe each of them in detail. First, we'll learn about flavonoids. Flavonoids constitute the largest group of plant polyphenols and are responsible for many of the plant colors that dazzle us with the brilliant shades of yellow, orange and red. Flavonoids have the C6C3C6 general structure backbone in which the two C6 units, that is ring A and ring B, are phenolic in nature due to the hydroxylation pattern and variations in chromane ring, that is ring C. Flavonoids can be further divided into different subgroups such as anthocyanins, flavon-3-ol, flavones, flavanones and flavonols. With each of these groups fall hundreds and sometimes thousands of different flavonoids. We will look at each briefly. First, we'll see about flavones, flavanols, flavanones and flavanones. These flavonoid subgroups are the most common and almost ubiquitous throughout the plant kingdom. Flavones and their 3 hydroxy derivatives flavanols, including their glycosides, methoxides and acylated products on all 3 rings, make this the largest subgroup among all polyphenols. Flavonols and flavones, they are the most widely distributed among the flavonoids. The most common occurring are quercetin, myristin and camephorol. Flavanols. Flavanols or flavon-3-ol are often commonly called catechins. Flavonols are found in many fruits, particularly in the skin of grapes, apples and blueberries. Monomeric flavanols, that is catechin and epicatechin, their derivatives gallocatechins, are the major flavonoids which are present in tea leaves and cocoa beans or chocolates. Some of the benefits of tea are due to their presence of gallic acid, which are combined with epicatechin. Catechin and epicatechin can form polymers which are often referred to as proanthocyanidins because an acid catalyzed cleavage of the polymer chain produces anthocyanidins. Flavanols and oligomerics, that is 2,7 monomeric unit, are known as strong antioxidants which have been associated with several potential health benefits. In fruits, legumes and grains, they exist as condensed polymers and are concentrated more in immature fruits. A well-known flavanol is taxipholin from citrus fruits. Next is isoflavones. Isoflavones have ring B attached to the C3 position of ring C. They are most commonly found in leguminous family of plants. Since beans, particularly soya bean, are a major part of the diet in many cultures, the role of isoflavones have thus great impact on human health. Genistein and diazein are the 2 main isoflavones found in soya along with glycitin, biochanin A and formornenitin. They are also found in red clovers. Next, we will learn about the phenolic acids and its derivative. Phenolic acids are non-flavonoid phenolic compounds which can be further divided into 2 main parts: benzoic acid and cinnamic acid derivatives based on C1C6 and C3C6 backbone. Hydroxybenzoic acid, example ellagic and gallic acid, which are hydrolyzable tannins present in berries and nuts. Hydroxycinnamic acid, example caffeic and ferulic acids. Caffeic is a precursor of lignin. Caffeic and quinine gives chlorogenic acids. They occur in fruits, vegetables, coffee beans, grains and sunflower seeds. While fruits and vegetables contain many free phenolic acid in grains and seeds, particularly in the bran or hull, phenolic acids are often found in bound form also. These phenolic acids can only be freed or hydrolyzed upon acid or alkaline hydrolysis or by enzyme action. The next flavonoid we read about is anthocyanidins. Anthocyanidins are the principal components of the red, blue and purple pigments of the majority of flower petals, fruits and vegetables and certain specific varieties of grains like black rice. Anthocyanidins in plant mainly exist in glycosidic forms which are commonly referred to as anthocyanins. Cyanidin, delifidin and perlogidin are the most widely formed anthocyanins. Other polyphenols. In addition to the phenolic acids, flavonoids and phenolic amides, there are several non-flavonoid polyphenols found in food that are considered important to human health. Among these, resveratrol is unique to the grapes and red wine. Ellagic acid and its derivatives are found in berry fruits, strawberries and raspberries, and in the skin of different tree nuts. Lignans exist in the bound form in flax, sesame and many grains. Curcumin is a strong antioxidant from turmeric. Rosmarinic acid is a dimer of caffeic acid and ellagic acid and is a dimer of gallic acid. While both gallic acid and ellagic acid are found in the free form, their glucose esters, a group known as hydroxylable tannins, also exist in different plants. To conclude this module, learners, we learnt in this module that polyphenols are a group of chemical substances found in plants characterized by the presence of more than one phenolic acid or building block or molecule. The main classes of polyphenols being flavonoids, phenolic acids, tannins, stilbenes, lignans. Flavonoids constituting the largest group of polyphenols and are responsible for many plant colors of yellow, orange and red. Anthocyanidins are the principal component of the red, blue and purple pigment of the majority of flower petals, fruits and vegetables and a certain special varieties of grains. In addition to phenolic acid, flavonoids and phenolic amides, there are several non-flavonoid polyphenols found in fruits as resveratrol in grapes and red wine, ellagic acid and its derivatives are found in berry fruits as strawberries and raspberries and in different skins of tree nuts, lignans in flax, sesame in many grains. In the next module, we will be learning about the dietary sources and bioavailability of flavonoids and their metabolism in human body.